Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mini Cooper fog light. First, gather your tools, including a flat blade screwdriver and your replacement H8 or H11 bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off before starting any work. Wearing gloves is also a good idea to protect your hands and prevent oils from touching the new bulb's glass, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, let's get access to that fog light. Begin by turning your front wheel fully to the side. This provides much better access to the wheel well. Next, locate the small access panel or the plastic clips holding the fender liner in place. Carefully use your flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool to remove these clips. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the back of the fog light assembly. With the fog light assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise approximately 45 degrees to unlock it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. You'll then need to disconnect the electrical connector. Simply press the small release tab and pull it apart. Now, take your new H8 or H11 bulb and firmly attach the electrical connector to it, ensuring a secure connection. To finish up, carefully insert the new bulb into the fog light housing, making sure to align the tabs, then twist it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Push the fender liner back into its original position and reattach all the clips and screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your Mini Cooper and test the new fog light to ensure it illuminates properly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your fog light bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.